Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fine Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. In this class, we are going to discuss tubes for collection of blood samples. And here we can see different color caps for tubes. And then here in this class, in detail we will study how to collect this blood samples, and then in detail we are going to see the tubes. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe. We'll see one by one. Blood sample collection tubes. Here, first one is lavender or purple top tube. You can see in the picture, okay. Here, additive. Additive is EDTA, that is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Here it is an additive for that one. Before only in that tube, it is there. And then purpose is to bind calcium to prevent clotting. What is our main motto here? Purpose is to prevent clotting blood. That's what EDTA is mixed with that tube. And then it is used for complete blood count, HbA1c, ESR, peripheral smear, time for critical patients, and then also for parathyroid hormones testings. We'll see the next one. That is gold or tiger top, yellow top. Here we can see in the picture, here additives. Additive is silica particles, activate clotting. And then inert polymer gel, separate serum from cells. And then used for endocrinology, oncology, toxicology, immunology, and then also very important one, microbiology. Here in microbiology, it is used for some antibody test. Next, here gold yellow tube is used for common test. Here you can see the picture, yellow top tube. Here it is used for urea and electrolytes, C-reactive protein, liver function test, and then bone profile, troponin, tumor markers, drug levels, to check the drug levels, and then immunoglobulins, rheumatoid factors, here it is. And then toxicology. We'll see the next one, blue top tube. Here in the picture you can see, and then additive is sodium citrate here. It is an anticoagulant. It is used for coagulation tests. That is prothrombin timing, extrinsic pathway. And then activated partial thromboplastin type, that is intrinsic pathway. And then international normalized ratio for warfarin therapy. And then D-dimer for thrombosis, fibrinogen assay, that is common pathway. Here important is that must be filled to the line, that is 9:1 blood to anticoagulant ratio. Gently invert 3 to 4 times. Next one, red top tube. Here nothing is there in addition. Additive is none. And then mechanism, blood clots naturally, serum separated by centrifugation. By centrifugation, we can see the separated serum here because additive is none here. And then used for coagulation tests. Here it is used in chemistry, and then serology, that is for HIV and all, and then immunology, and then in blood bank. Next one, gray top tube. Here additive is sodium fluoride, anti-glycolytic, prevents glucose breakdown. And then potassium oxalate, that is an anticoagulant, used for blood glucose and then lactate. Fasting random, we can say that. And then that is in GTT's glucose tolerance test, it is used for. Next one, pink top tube. Here again additive is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, we can say. And then here specialty is that specifically used in blood transfusion labs. And then used for blood grouping and typing, cross matching, group and save. And then here direct Coombs test, that is direct antiglobulin test. Next one is dark green top tube. Here additive is sodium heparin. Here heparin is used. And then ammonia, insulin, renin and aldosterone. It is used for the hormoning test. Next, black top tube. Here additive is buffered sodium citrate, that is in a variable concentration, and then used for ESR. And then important note is that lavender versus black top. Here some labs use lavender for ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, and then but black top is standard. Here black top is standard, that is citrate. Next one is light green top tube. Here additive contains lithium heparin. It is an anticoagulant, okay, and a gel separator. Purpose is that to prevent the blood clotting and allows for plasma separation by centrifugation. And then common tests are plasma chemistry tests, ammonia levels, and then stat chemistry panels, and then some hormone tests. Here stat chemistry panels, that is immediately or without delay has to do this. Next you can see here orange top tube. Here additive is that thrombin, rapid clot activator here, and then used for stat serum testing. As I told earlier, stat serum testing, that is rapid result. It is for the rapid results without delay or immediately we has to send. And then next we'll see the 11th one, that is white top tube. Here additive is that usually contains EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, don't forget this, and then with gel for plasma separation. Here varies by manufacturer. And then it is used for molecular diagnostics, PCR, DNA amplification, and then viral load testing here, that is HIV and HCV. I hope you all are very clear with the collection tubes, blood sample collection tubes topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.